Okay, I just wanted to take a minute to show you, just to follow up here about cultivator sleds here. I happened to be out here today, and I figured I'd just take some shots to remind you what we saw on Thursday there. You're looking at pretty much a classic, traditional cultivator toolbar. The toolbar idea comes from those diamond bars, those horizontal bars that are going 1, 2, 3, 4 from the front of the implement to the back there. And on each of those bars are a series of clamps that hold various straight up and down vertical metal shanks. Those are called the standards, or the shanks. You can see the 3-point hitch, that piece in the front there, the big red piece that has the top pin and then those 2 pins on the sides. That's how the implement is attached to the tractor. And you'll also notice here that I didn't bring my tripod today, so the camera is shaking quite a bit here. It's kind of windy, but I'm trying a new camera that has a different microphone, so we'll see how this turns out. Plus, I don't know if the focus is all that good, but anyway, you can see that different kinds of implements are on those shanks there, and I'll move in here a little closer here if I can. You can see on some of them there are sweeps in the back. That big triangular shaped thing in the back there, that's sweeping the furrow. You can see in front of that there's the sled idea, where the implement rides through the furrows in the front there like an actual snow sled. Right behind that sled is a banana knife there. You can see the angled piece of metal there that's kind of on a curve. That cuts the side of the bed, the weeds on the side of the bed. And then just above that, they're not in the ground there, but those very sharp angled metal pieces there with the points on them, they're high above there and they're not in the ground on this particular one, but those are also called sweeps there. So they shave or shear off the weeds just under the soil surface there. So this is kind of a very common piece of machinery that farmers use for a variety of vegetable crops. And I just wanted to go over some of the pieces of this and how it actually is put together. So the idea comes from a sled, a cultivator sled here that's got those skids on the bottom there, toolbars, those diamond bars that are in the middle, a number of clamps, a number of shanks or standards that are, each of them holds one weed cutting or weed slicing piece of metal that cuts the weeds underneath the soil surface there. So there you have a customary transplanter shed. We'll see if this works out at all focused here, because I can't really see. Okay.